Good day everyone and welcome to the Crypto Manage channel. I know I haven't been posting videos for a while, and if you're interested on what I was doing, why I was not posting, then let me know in the comments down below and I will do a video about it. But today what I want to talk about is the Bitcoin price. So let's hop into that. Let's go to the macro time frame, which is the weekly, and let's start looking at the price. What is going on? So basically what I can see instantly is that we've took the liquidity right here. The buy side liquidity was taken. We went to the downside. We found some support from the order block. As you can see, this one, we hit the equilibrium for $1 to $1. And we had a really nice rise to the upside of, that's great, 45%. But eventually we broke to the downside, breaking this low. What does it mean? It means that we've changed the market structure from bullish to bearish. So on the weekly time frame, we are definitely bearish. But right now, more locally right here, we are finding some support. And why we are finding that support? Very simply, because we have hit a high time frame support level, which is the order block, weekly order block. If we look into it a little bit closer, we can see that we've hit the low of the order block almost to the dollar, and we have had a rise of 40%. So that's really, really great support, right? And let's go to the daily time frame. And what do we see here? So very simply, we've created our swing low, then we had swing high. There's no bullishness in my opinion. I wouldn't look for long right here and wouldn't look for a long right here also. So basically in this area is no interest for me. Why? Because we are on the major downtrend, and that's it basically. I don't want to long when we are on the downtrend. But what we have done later is price held support level right here. So we've made a higher low, but it was not confirmed once we didn't break this high. Once we break this high, for me, it is the bullish market structure. And that is where I am starting to look for longs. So what we can see right here is that we have found a support from where? From the order block. Again, this is not random, as you can see. We found some support, went to the upside. We took again the buy side liquidity, because what people do, they try to short every high. They short, put their stop loss above this high, price goes to the upside and takes the liquidity. Very simple, right? So we've made another higher high. Again, found support from order block and made another higher high. So for me, this is a daily bullish market structure, and I am still bullish once we don't take this low. So if we take this low, then the daily market structure shifts, but it will happen eventually, because right now what I can see is that we have some kind of trend line going on, trend line support. So obviously it must be broken. The liquidity has to be taken at least from this trend line, because market makers don't want to allow for retail people to make money as easy as like that. Yeah, trading the trend line. So eventually it will happen. At least we'll break the trend line. And we have a really nice reason for that to do. We created another swing low. So maybe price could go to the upside, and let me draw it like that. Go to the upside and take this liquidity, filling this imbalance. As we can see, we have here an imbalance. So price likes to re-imbalance an imbalance. So yeah, basically we could find some support here and then go to the upside. So that would be one of the scenarios, right? Let's take a look at the fixed range pull. what we have here, value area high. So we are exiting off this value area high. So right now it is acting as a support, as you can see. So this is good to see. But if we would see some kind of acceptance into this range, well, then that means that this, it was just a liquidity grab, and we are going to range right here for a little more. So locally right here, I can see like this stuff where we can go to the upside. Honestly, this range is very important for me. So I can already pull my fixed range tool. And what do we have here? An SR flip, right? SR flip is a confluence to the value area low. So that is really nice to see as a resistance again. What do we have here is a huge imbalance. Huge imbalance right here. We've already re-imbalanced almost half of it. And we are still continuing to go to the upside. I do really think that the major resistance is this range, about 28k, let's say 28 and 30. This is a range of resistance in my opinion, because we have a lot of volume right here, the point of control, the value area low, the SR flip. Very important area to look for a reaction, basically what price will do right here. If we will have some range, so for example, if we approach it, obviously not like that, we'll have some ranges, but if we approach it and start ranging, I would expect to see a liquidity grab of sell side and then go to the upside if this is a bullish basically scenario. Why do I think so? Because we need fuel to go to the upside. You can see that the price also has done the same right here. What we had is a range, price went to the upside, took the buy side liquidity, retested the order block, as you can see right here, really nice price action, and went to the downside with a good displacement, also right here a huge displacement and imbalance. And that is why I also expect a thing to see right here. Yeah, the same thing, taking the liquidity, having the fuel and going to the upside if this is a bullish scenario. Of course, we can reject from here and go even lower. Where I would look for if we will go lower, let's go to the weekly time frame, I think. So we've mitigated this order block, and if I pull the and we also mitigated the equilibrium of this weekly order block. So I don't really think there is any reason to spend more time right here. We've already found some support, and if we'll lose this swing low, well, that's pretty bearish. And then we could go down to the, let's say 13k. Let's pull some fixed range tool and see what we have here. So value area high at 10k, 9k point of control. So yeah, that is definitely a support area right here. So 13k and 9k is a range where I would look for support. This is a major level in my opinion, because as you can see, we have imbalances here, so price would like to revisit this area to re-imbalance and imbalance. So that is really it for today. I really hope that you liked it, and I'll see you later. Bye.